Dr. Manmohan Singh, the great economist and architect of modern India, is no more. He was a great visionary, and Sri Narasimha Rao, finding his efficiency in the economic field, though he was not the Prime Minister, he was not the minister or MP, he picked him up as a Finance Minister of India. Dr. Manmohan Singh brought a lot of reforms, opened up the economy so that India can compete with the developing world. He proved himself in that. Madam Sonia Gandhi, when the Prime Minister's post was offered to her, she identified Dr. Manmohan Singh as an able administrator to hold the post of the Prime Minister. Dr. Manmohan Singh continued as Prime Minister for 10 years. I had an opportunity to work with him as a Minister in Prime Minister's office for 10 years, as a planning minister and as a Minister in Prime Minister's office. I had an occasion to learn administration from him. He was very sober, very kind, very informative, and he used to guide us on all occasions. I will not forget two instances which is still in my memory. When our scientists, the ISRO scientists, when they were launching the satellite, the rocket, two occasions it failed. Our ISRO scientists from Bangalore, Trivandrum, they were all upset. Dr. Manmohan Singh told me that Narayanaswamy, you go and meet them and convince them and encourage them that further innovations have to be continued. I brought them to Delhi. Dr. Manmohan Singh also interacted with them. Thereafter, 5 successive launches were done by India, including the Mangalyaan, which was done during our period. In the first instance,